Hi, in this video we will learn how to set up the Instadeq add-on for Google Sheets to send data directly from Google Sheets to Instadeq. So the first step, we need to install the add-on on our Google Sheet if you don't have it already. So go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Click the search icon on the top and search for Instadeq. Select the Instadeq Spreadsheet add-on and select Individual Install. Accept the permissions. And once you have the add-on installed, go again to Extensions. At the bottom you should see the Instadeq Spreadsheet submenu and go to Settings. In Settings, we need to provide this hook URL. Hook URL is a unique address that when this add-on or a program or a script sends data, it will appear on the other side. So first we have to create the hook. For that we are going to create a spreadsheet card and go here on the top to manage hooks and click here on the right to create a new one. This will create a unique URL. Then when somebody sends data to this URL, it will appear to any card that has this channel configured. As you can see, this channel is the same over here. You can change it if you want. You can share it across different sheet cards, and if it's used in more than one, it will appear on all the ones that use the same channel. So to copy it, you can either select it and copy, or click here and the copy icon and paste it on the settings dialog and click OK. Now we can close this and apply. And if I go to extensions and hit send, it will appear on this side. If we want to have the first row as headers, we can select the promote row as headers. And now if we send it again, we will see that the columns are name and value and it's displayed as a table. So with this, we can create any kind of dashboard you see in any guide on Instadeq. The one you can start with to get a feeling of what's possible is go into examples, easy and report dashboard from Google Sheets. Here on the top, there's a template that you can import to your user by clicking use template. And you can send data. Let's see if we can do it quickly. It recommends us to use the add-on. We already have it installed. So we can go to this sheet over here. We can create a new channel, hit apply. I already have it with data. And we can create a new hook for this card, select it and paste it over here, click OK. And now let's reload this so that the dashboard starts empty with our new channel. As you can see now it's empty. But if we now go to extensions, we can set it to read only so it looks a little bit nicer. Go to extensions and send it. Now the dashboard will be populated. Of course I have it a little bit, everything is a little bit squished because I'm using it on half my screen, but it should look like this. So whenever you have some new data, you just change it on your sheet, go to extensions and hit send, and any dashboard or visualization that depends on that channel associated with your hook will update instantaneously. So this was how to set up, install, configure and use the Instadeq add-on for Google Sheets. If you have any question, just comment on the comment section below. Bye.